Hey guys, welcome to Passion Vidya. Yeah, this is today's paper, J Mains 2021 paper. Now I'm gonna solve this one. So guys, this is not the complete video solution. Just this is I wanna show you how I will write the exam and the way I select the questions, the way I skip the questions, and the complete paper. This is I have not seen the paper till now. Just this is the first time I've got this paper, so I'm gonna solve this paper and I'm gonna share the video with you. So let us start. So first I'll be starting with numerical questions because I had to select 5 questions out of the 10 questions. So I'll gain some confidence over there. So first from 21 to yeah. So by looking at it, I can just let us see this 23rd question. So here I have find out the minimum force required to stop the block from falling. Okay. So now there is a weight here in downward direction. There will be 55 Newton force downwards. Then there should be a friction should be equal to 5 newtons, and this is equals to mu 0.2 into F. So from here I'll get F is equals to 5 by 0.2. So it will be 25. Next I'll go with yeah, this one. So two identical particles, same mass, are shown just before collision and just after the collision. So this is at rest. Initially this is at rest. Now this is coming with 9 meter per second. Okay, so what can I do? So I can conserve the momentum in the vertical direction and in horizontal direction. Yeah, so in vertical direction, m into v1. Yeah, it should be, I think it should be equal. M into v1 into, so vertical direction there is no momentum initially, sine 30. Sine 30 means 1 by 2 is equals to m into v2 into sine 30 1 by 2. So from here v1 should be equal to v2. So ratio is 1. So this is 1 and this is 25. So next 25th question. I can take dq by dt as 20t plus 8t square. From here dq is equals to 20t into dt plus 8t square dt. If I integrate it, so I have to integrate it from 0 to 5. 0 to 5. So it will be 20 into t square by 2. T square 25 by 2 plus here 8 into t cube 125 by 3. So this will be the answer. So this will be 250. 250 plus there 125 by 3. So it will be just 1 minute. Okay. 125 into 8. 125 into 8 with 1000, I guess. Yeah, 1000 by 3. 1000 by 3. 1000 by 3. So it will be 333.33. So it will be 580. 583.33. So this is the answer. Next, so 3 questions are done. So I'll keep this one aside, whether I have to mark it or not. Just let me check it. There are 2 easy questions. If I get, I will solve those. Yeah, this one. Speed of electromagnetic wave. This will be 3 into 10 power 8 divided by under root of mu r into epsilon r. So it will be 2 into 2. So it will be, so in 3 into 10 power 7. So 30 divided by 2 into 10 power 7. So this will be easy. Yeah, 15. So this one I'll answer. So 3 questions are done. 2 more questions if I can find it. So two planets are revolving around, resolving about a planet. Revolving about a planet with time period t1 is to t2. Okay. T1 is equal to 2 pi by omega. So it will be 8. So 2 pi by angular speed, that's it. Pi by omega 1 divided by 2 pi by omega 2 is equals to 1 by 8. From here, omega 2 by omega 1 is equals to 1 by 8. Omega 1 by omega 2 will be 8. Now, 4 questions are done. One more question I have to do. Leaving this question. Because there are the numbers, I think it's not that easy. Yeah, okay. So I'll come back to that another question later. So let us move on to single multiple choice options. De Broglie wavelength of proton varies inversely with linear momentum. Yes, right. So because de Broglie wavelength is equals to h by momentum, h by p. As lambda increases, energy and momentum increases. Wrong. So second statement is false. So 21. Next. Spectral lines of hydrogen atom are given below. Given is below. Okay. Okay. Series limit of Lyman series. Which of the following? Okay. Yeah. Which of the following is correct for the spectral lines A, B, C? Yes, this is Lyman series. Here Lyman series. This is Balmer series. This is Paschen series. So now A is infinite to 1. So it is a series limit. Yes, series limit of Lyman. Next. Here if you talk about it, this is the first line of Balmer series, second line of Balmer, third line of Balmer series. Yes. And the first line of Passion series, second line of Passion series. Yes, this is the first one option. Yes, this is just how I solve. Tomorrow I'll be making another video where I will be discussing detailed solutions if you have any doubts. Okay, next. Moment of inertia of ring of mass m and radius r about its diameter. This is ring. About diameter it will be mr square by 2. Um, this is ring. This is I1. Next, moment of inertia of disk of mass m. Disk. This is I2 through the central axis perpendicular to the plane. Plane of disk maybe. Yeah, plane of disk. So definitely it will be also I2 will also be mr square by 2. Next, third one, moment of inertia of solid cylinder of mass m radius are about its axis. Solid cylinder similar to disk. So that will also be same I3. I3 also will be equal to mr square by 2. Moment of inertia of solid sphere through its diameter. Solid sphere will be 2 by 5 mr square. So here I can say these three are equal. I1, I2, I3 are equal. And they are greater than I4. Where you have it. Okay. Three of them are greater. So here I can see I1 plus I2. I1 plus I2 will be mr square is equals to mr square. I3 is mr square by 2 plus 2 by 5 means mr square. Wrong. No, this is wrong. Next, I1 is greater than I2. This is also wrong. This is also wrong. Obviously, it should be first option. So I1 plus I2 should be 5 by 4 times. Yes, this is right. First option. Next, relation between radius of curvature and focal length of convex mirror. Mirror. For mirror, it is f is equals to r by 2. Convex mirror, this is case. So focal length will be positive and radius of curvature is positive. So it should be r by 2. Next. So very simple question. Yes, isobaric is constant pressure. Uh, Isochoric, volume constant, isothermal, temperature constant are here. Adiabatic heat constant. So it should be P4. Q is 3. Yeah, definitely Q is 3. P4, Q is 3. Next, R is 2. R is 2. This is the first option. Next, four particles, each of mass 1 kg and equidistant from each other, move along a circle of radius r under the action of their mutual gravity. Okay, four particles you have. They are going in circular path. Yeah, now the forces will be this is the force. If I take this particle, centripetal force is provided by three of them. Now let us say radius is 1, so this will be 1. Oh yeah, 1 and 1. This diameter will be 2, so this will be root 2. Yeah. So the forces will be so g into each of mass 1 kg is gm square by 1 into 1 by r square. R square means it will be 2g by 2. Here it will be g by 2. Here it will be g by 4. So the net force will be g. If you take common, so it will be g by 4 plus g by root 2. G by 4 plus root 2 times g by 2. So it will be, I can write a g by root 2 is equals to speed we want mv square by r. M is 1, so v square by r is 1. Okay, so what it should be? This is the answer. So we should be under root of it. So if I take 1 by 2 common, g1 plus 4 by 2 root 2, 4 by 2 root 2, yes, that's it. If intensity after passing through the Polaroid is 100 lumen, now this same Polaroid is rotated by 30 degrees. The new intensity after passing through it. The intensity after passing through a Polaroid is 100 lumen. The same Polaroid is rotated by 30 degrees about its axis. I think it's has not mentioned any angle, so this should be unpolarized light. So after passing through unpolarized light, whatever may be the angle, it should be the same. 100 lumen. A side of cube A is made from 6 identical sheets. Coefficient of linear expansion alpha. Side A is made of 6 identical sheets. If the coefficient of linear expansion is alpha and the temperature is now made to increase temperature. Find the change in volume. Okay. So coefficient of linear expansion. So we'll get L is equals to, or A side A is equals to A naught into, or A dash is equals to A naught into, or I can say dA is equals to dA is equals to A into alpha into delta T. Change in A, change in the side. Now we know we can apply error analysis, I guess. dV by V, delta V by V is equals to delta A by A 3 times of delta A by A. Delta A by A will be alpha delta T. So from here V is equals to A cube. V is equals to A cube, so 3A cube into alpha delta T. Yes, this one now answer. So I'll come back to this later. I have a little bit doubt. Next, AB is isothermal. Given AB is isothermal, BC is isobaric, and CA is isochoric. Find the total work done in cyclic process. Okay. Total work done in P1 V1 is equals to nRT. Okay. And the total work done. Total work done you have to calculate. So this is isothermal process. So I can write isothermal process work done is nRT ln V2 by V1. Ln V2 by V1. So it will be ln 2 work done in isothermal process. And in a isobaric process, it is a P1 into V1. P1 into V1. So minus P1 into V1. P1 will be equal to nRT. If I take nRT common, so it will be ln 2 minus 1. Yeah, that's it. So ln 2 minus 1. Somewhere it is going wrong. nRT ln V2 by V1, right? RT 2 and RT, where are you getting it? Okay, let me check it. Let me check it. What I have 1 minute. So here temperature is P1 V1 equal to nRT. So this is 2T temperature. RA. Yes, yes. It's good. So fortunately, I don't have that option. So this will be 2 nRT. So it will be 2 nRT minus nRT. So it will be 2 if I take common, 2 nRT into 1 by 2. Yes. Xenon diode is connected to shown to find the current in 2 kilowatt. In this resistor you have to find it. So here, from here it goes the current 10 volt. So 10 volt, if I take so 5 volt, so definitely it has to be 5 volt. The potential difference is 5 volt. For 5 volt divided by 2, 5 by 2, 2.5 milliampere. That's it. Here, if work is equals to alpha into beta square into e power x square by kt. Oh my god. Find the dimensions of beta. So if I want to find the dimensions of beta, first I should know the dimensions of alpha. So here k square x square by alpha kt has to be dimensionless. I'll come back to this later. Now in this, so we want to calculate Vx minus Vy. First I have to calculate current. So if I draw the loop law, start from here. So plus 6 minus 4, 2 divided by 10. So current is 0.2. So now current is going in this direction. So now I want Vx minus Vy. Start from here. Current is in this direction. So if I go from here to here, Vx plus 4, opposite to the direction of current, plus 8 into 0.2. 8 into 0.2 is equals to Vy. So Vx minus Vy will be, so magnitude, obviously we want magnitude, so it will be 4 plus 1.6, 5.6. check the relation between them. Here I know it. I'll come back to this later. Two stars are rotating about their common center of mass. The period of revolution of mass m about the center of mass. Okay. So here I can take reduced mass. Reduced mass concept. Reduced mass concept we can take about center of mass. So it will be. So what is asking? Period of revolution. 2 pi by omega. So obviously omega you have to calculate. So reduced mass will be 2m into m. So 2m square by 3m. So m gets cancelled. 2m by 3. 2m by 3 is mass. What we can do here? Period of revolution. Or let me do it normal method. Center of mass will be at a distance d by 3 from here, and 2d by 3 from here. So total gravitational force of both between them is g into 2gm square by d square. This is a gravitational force, so this is equals to centripetal force. Centripetal force I can write for smaller mass mr omega square. So m into r is a 2d by 3 into mr omega square. So from here mm gets cancelled. From here what you will get? Omega is equals to 2 gets cancelled. Omega is equals to under root of 3gm by d cube. So now the time period will be 2 pi into under root 3gm by d cube by 3gm. Yes. Next, from given velocity time graph, which of the following is acceleration time graph? So initially, obviously here velocity time graph is given. So this is a constant slope, acceleration is constant, and it is negative acceleration and positive acceleration constant. Negative acceleration, positive acceleration constant. That's it. A small block of mass m is placed gently on a cap phlegm when it is passing through its mean position. Find its new amplitude of SHM. Okay, when it is at mean position, exactly at mean position it is there. So then what you have to conserve the momentum. So momentum conservation you can do. Yeah. So initially let us say amplitude is a. So maximum velocity is equals to a omega. Maximum velocity at initially v0 velocity or v1 is equals to a into omega. Omega is under root 2.1 k by m, under root k by m. So this is initial velocity. So final velocity will be momentum conservation m into capital M into a into under root k by m is equals to m plus capital M into a omega. Now also you have to do a omega. So a dash into omega. Omega will be under root of k by m plus capital M. So this will be the, from here you can get from here you can get a dash value. So what you will get by a dash value? Under root k gets cancelled. So it will be a dash will be a into capital M into here under root will goes, it will be divided by capital M is inside. New amplitude. kx is equals to kx equals to minus. Omega is under root k by m. Yes. Root k by k by k by k by. Ah, missed it. I'll come back to this later. So if W1 width is given, the amplitude is proportional to W. Imax by minimum. Imax is equals to, we know, under root of I1 plus root I2 whole square by root I1 minus root I2 whole square. 1 minute. Yeah, Imax is equals to root I1 plus root I2 whole square. So width intensity is directly proportional to width. So it is W I2 is 3 times of I1. So it will be so I naught root I naught plus maximum root देखा root I1 plus root I2 whole square, right? 3 times of just 1 minute, guys. Let me check it. What happened here? Yeah, I can write this. I not common. This is the. I not this is the 1 plus root 3 by root 3 minus 1 whole square. So here, something is going wrong here. In a transistor, if increase in emitter current is 4 ampere, okay. So beta is delta I emitter current by delta IB. So here we know IE is equals to IB plus IC. So delta also we can apply it. So from here increase in current is 4 here. This is 4 is equals to this is IB 3 delta IB plus 3.5. So it will be 0.5. So 4 by 0.5 it will be 1 minute. Find beta value. Beta value you have to calculate. Oh sorry, this is not emitter current. So collector current. Yeah, collector current by base current. So this will be 3.5 upon 0.5. It will be 7. Okay, find the electric field at center of the cube. Electric field at center of the cube you have. So what I can do, have a 7 positive charges and 1 negative charge. So here I can keep a minus 2q and a plus q. Due to this 8q charges it will be 0. So only due to minus q charge it will be there. So into electric field will be towards the center. So it will be, yeah. So the distance will be root 3 a by 2. So k into q is 2q. Q by a square. So it'll be what it will be here? Some center root 3a, root 3a, root 3a, root 3a, root 3. Center low root 3a by 2 kada. Root 3a by 2 square by a square. Two k cube 3 root 3a square. This is electric field. What the hell is happening? Okay, yeah, I have given in 4 by epsilon naught. Okay. So this will be in which direction? It is minus I plus j plus k by root 3. So it will be k I can write as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 4 pi epsilon naught. So root 3 3 9, it will be 9a square. What happened? What happened? What happened? One minute, I'll come back to this later. If two identical capacitors, one's connected in series and one's connected in parallel, find the ratio. Okay, series connection. When it is connected, it is series connection to identical. So it will be series connection C by 2. Parallel connection 2C. So it will be 1 by 4. So how many questions are left? Second question is left. I'll come back to this later. This fourth question. So W1 by W2 is 3 times. So intensity will be 3 times. If this is I naught, this will be 3 I naught. Maximum amplitude is proportional. So intensity will be square. Okay. So intensity is square times of it. Yeah, I have not read the question properly. So that's why just guys see, check it. If you are unable to get at a time, just skip it. This is how you have to skip it. Then see here, I have not gone through this one at any first time. So now I have found it. So this is I naught. This will be 9 times I naught. So now if I write it, so this will be 1 plus root 3, 1 plus 3, 1 plus root I naught. If I take common, 1 plus 3 divided by 3 minus 1, I can say, whole square. So it will be 4 by 2, 2 whole square. 4 is to 1. Next, if I go to this one, what happened here? Here something I have missed. So initially the velocity will be, amplitude is a, so a into velocity. Initial velocity is a into under root of k by Kaplan. This is initial velocity, a omega at the main position. So Kaplan into a into omega is equals to, this is initial momentum, is equals to final velocity. Will get final velocity will be total mass, s small m plus Kaplan is total mass, m into velocity is a dash into omega. Now omega is under root k by m plus m Kaplan. From here you can find a dash value. How will get it? Root k gets cancelled, so a dash will be k gets cancelled, a into under root of, if m goes inside, it will be inside m by Kaplan plus small m. That's it. A dash will be a into Kaplan by under root of, yes, this one. That's it. What more is left? This Young's modulus question, I don't remember the expression properly. Anything left? Okay, in this one question I have to do right. Yeah, I can do this one. Coefficient of friction is 0.5. So maximum angle it can go is tan theta is equals to 0.5. Tan theta is equals to 0.5. Tan theta means dy by dx. If we differentiate it, dy by dx is equals to tan theta. That is equals to 2x. So it will be x by 2 is equals to 0.5. So from here you will get x is equals to 1. Substitute x is equal to y is equals to 1 by 4 in centimeter. So this is all we have done in SI units. So it will be so he has not mentioned what is x and y in terms of it. Okay, so I'm getting it x as 1, so y will be 0 1 by 4 1 by 4, so I can take 100 x 100 by 4 25 centimeter 25 centimeters. So units I am doubtful, so what is the time? So I'll be doing this, I'll keeping this, I'll be marking this one, very simple ones. I'll be marking this without any doubt, marking this. One more thing, this one units I'm doubtful, centimeter, maybe I can take it. Another question, an easy question. From as output of 12 volt DC is taken out using rectifier. Okay, secondary numbered ones. No. Yeah, I'll be marking this one up. Any more doubts? Which one? Which one? Which one? So I have to do this one question and another. So 10th one, I'll come to that later. 10th, 8th. This question should be simple, yeah. Somewhere I am missing the trick. Just let me do it fresh again. So I can take that minus q as minus 2q plus q. So due to plus q, the net electric field will be 0. Only due to minus q, there is a electric field. Minus 2q. So minus 2q charge is there. So due to that, it will be there. So k into minus 2q by r square. Or r cube. I can write r cube into r bar. R cube into r bar. So r cube will be a by. So side is a. Okay. So if a cube of side a, that will be root 2a, root 3a. So root 3a by 2 is center distance from center to this point. Root 3a by 2 whole cube into r bar. So r bar will be I plus j plus k by root 3. Unit vector I have to write. R bar, right? Okay, the distance I have to multiply again. Oh my god. So okay. Okay. So that will be a by 2 comma a by 2 comma a by 2. So it will be a by 2 comma a by 2 comma a by 2. So now yes, here I have gone wrong. So a by 2, if I take common, it will be I plus j plus k. Yes, that's it. This is what I have to do. Yes. So now if I do the cube, what I'll get? So this 2 gets cancelled. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So minus q into q by 4 pi epsilon naught into a by cube root. If I do it, 3 root 3 into a cube by 8 into I plus j plus k. So this will be a square. So I'll get 2 minus 2q by 3 root 3 epsilon naught. Yes. Pi into 3 root 3. Yes. Yes, this one. That's it. I've got it. This formula I just remember somewhere like this. Just 1 minute. Somewhere I remember it like this. 1 minute. Just this one more here. Let me come back. This one. Okay, Boltzmann constant. We know energy is equals to kinetic energy of a particle is half kt. So half into kt gives you energy, half mv square. So energy relation. This is energy. So for energy, you know, it will be, so dimensions of x square alpha, dimensions of alpha is x square means L square. L power 2 by kt. Kt is energy. Energy means I can use energy half mv square. So m power 1 v is L power 1 v square L power 2 t power minus 2. This is alpha. Yeah, that's it. This is alpha. So alpha into b square. So beta is inverse of it under root. So L square gets cancelled. So from here beta will be beta. Am I going wrong anywhere? Dimension of beta. So work is equals to, okay, sorry. So from here alpha dimensions are m power minus 1 t power 2. So work is equals to, work means again force into displacement or energy, same as energy. So it will be m power 1 L power 2 t power minus 2 is equals to alpha is m power minus 1 t power 2 beta square. So from here m power 2, so beta square is m power 2 t power L power 2 t power minus 4. So under root of it m power 1 L power 1 t power minus 2. That's it. Yeah, I got it. Here I have, so this relation here, what is this? I think this is the relation. I'm not sure about this relation. Some 3 by y equals to 1 by neta plus 1 by 3k. I guess this is the relation. From here I can get K, I need K. K is equals to 3 by y minus 1 by neta is equals to 1 by 3k. From here, 3 neta minus y by neta into y is equals to 1 by 3k. It goes that side. Yeah. That's it. I got it. So that's it. This is the paper. So all the questions are done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20. Also here I have to check numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I'm done. 25 questions. That's it, guys. This is how I solve the paper. So I don't remember how much time I have done it. Okay, so tomorrow I'll be coming up with the whole solutions one by one and a detailed explanation. Thank you.